problem of infertility in Northeast is increasing day by day, and the list of causes is quite long. The common causes we see in Northeast are stress, advanced age of females, male infertility factors like smoking, alcohol, hormonal causes like PCOS, and other medical problems too. At Janitva, we understand you and we are always here to help you to build a family.
Kekenhuan Special Investigation Team haka arb kundai trik jelio arhajar arpusan kelio kurup igijing deng siar jong ka Sonam Raghuvanshi bad uraja Raghuvanshi naga jaga sa jong Silom James ka badan haga distrik Ratlam jong jela Madhya Pradesh. Usum Randan ki pulit ke distrik East Khasi Hills uba Vivek CM ula pentep baka kekenhuan SIT hapo kajing alam usap Inspector SI uba Anthony Khongset bat SI Karan Pachwa rengkat kejing kershan jong officer berpulit jong ka Al Kapuri Police Station kili oban kurup naka flat jong Silom James ya kejing deng jong ka Sonam bat uraja. Ki pulit kili okurup ru eka laptop pen drive bat katukan ki kot ki bakongsan. Banch pin mau Usilom James ulah syakam ki pulit lor kejing keno bula penduk pendam berburi sabut ki berani kejing dai bat kejing syak peniap jong uraja ha ka parking lot hajan gakshat wei saudong ha ka arpulai terek ujemang. Ha ka arpusan terek ujeleopat Usilom James ulah yalam ki pulit jong ka kenhun SIT ha ka wei ka wadut bat ki le okurup ka wei ka pistol shnahi bat artili ki magazine bat ki kuli. Nalor kani ki pulit kelio kurup ru ke pisah basan Pohajar Tengkan ke kali I10 ke badan number MP not kendai WG Arlaisan R ke belasai ke pelal bot laptop jong uraja Raghuvanshi.